Hello students, welcome back to the next video. Today we are going to learn about the warfare. We had studied in the previous video about the administration part, okay, and we saw in detail about the prashastis and the land grants. Now we are going to see in detail about the warfare, why the different kings wanted to have a war between themselves, why this warfare used to take place. Because they wanted to amass the territory of other kings, okay. That was the main intention of all the kings. There was no unity, okay. This much is the area of one particular king, but the other king also wanted to see that he becomes more stronger than the other king. So they used to keep on extending their areas. How? By the warfare. Now let's see, in history we are having three different types of warfares which took place, and we will see in detail what it is all. Ruling dynasties have their specific region to rule. Ruling dynasties had specific areas to rule. A particular king had a region to rule over. Now, but at the same time they tried to see control over the other areas. They tried to have control over the other areas. Why? That is the question. Why they wanted to have control over the other areas? So that they could increase their power. The first thing, they would get lots of power. The second, to acquire more of wealth. If you get that particular land, the resources which are available in that land, that becomes a wealth for you. To capture the resources. So the third is the resources which are available. Say if it is an agricultural land, then you get all the crops. When you sell it off, you get the production value which is there, okay. So these are the 3 points which are there, okay. First, why we had to have control, why the kings used to have control over the other areas? For the purpose of increasing their power, to acquire more of wealth, and to capture the resources. We have 3 such examples of warfare for wealth. So we are going to see in detail. I just said clearly that where all and how many warfare took place for the purpose of earning wealth. So let's see in detail. There were 3 such examples. 1, Tripartite struggle. Tripartite struggle which took place over Kannauj. Now you had seen Gurjara Pratihara, Rashtrakutas and the Pala side, okay. These all people, what they did, they wanted the control over Kannauj. This area they wanted control over. So once they get control over, okay, then they could get, because there was a fertile land, okay, and there were minerals, water was available, okay, deltas were there. So lot of production was possible through this area, minerals were available. So this area was the main focus of all the different kings who were there. So Tripartite struggle was done for this area, that is Kannauj. Attack, the first thing is Tripartite struggle. Second is attack of Mahmud Ghazni, okay, attack of Mahmud Ghazni. He came from foreign state and he wanted to amass a lot of wealth from our temples, and then he used to take that wealth to his place to build his beautiful city Ghaznibad, okay. Then we have Prithviraj III versus Muhammad Ghori. They had a war between to get wealth, okay. So let's begin with the first topic, that is Tripartite struggle. Why they had a fight over Kannauj to conquer that area. Kannauj was very important. Kannauj was very important, prosperous city in Ganga Valley. Where it was situated? Nearby Ganga Valley. So it becomes a very fertile land, okay. Crop production would be best, okay. Then you had the water area which facilities, okay. So that becomes very important for the people who get this area. So you get overall rights over that particular area, that is Kannauj. Then you could take money from the other people who used to transport things there. Rulers belonging to Gurjara Pratihara, Rashtrakutas and Pala dynasties. These all members, okay. Gurjara Pratihara, Rashtrakutas and Pala dynasty. These 3 were in different parts. Gurjara Pratihara were having control over Rajasthan. Whereas Rashtrakutas had control over the south side. And you have the Pala dynasty. Pala had control over the Bengal side, okay. So that is where these three people, three different directions they had control over, and they wanted to capture Ganga Valley side, this area, that is Kannauj. Historians often describe it as Tripartite struggle. That is what historians describe this area as. For the warfare they used to conquer, okay, and capture this area to get lot of importance from that area. Is it clear, children? Okay. Attacks of the second war which took place, that is attacks of Ghazni and Ghori. Rulers demonstrate their power and resources by building large temples. They were often attacked, extremely rich, okay. They used to come and attack over the rich, say the temples, so that they could get the wealth from that temples and they could take it over. For example, attacks of Sultan Muhammad Ghazni from Afghanistan. The person who came from Afghanistan, he ruled over, okay, and tried to get the wealth from India, and then he took that wealth to abroad, okay. Okay, so we'll see later on in the next video. Till then, bye.